This segment of DelmarvaLife is brought to you by Spicer Brothers Construction.
Well, as you know, heavy rain hit us overnight. More could fall with summer storms later on this week. And you may know that I love me a good thunderstorm, but what I don't like is the water overflowing the gutters and pooling on the ground.
Oh yeah, Jimmy, me neither. And that is a recipe for structural damage to your home's foundation. So how do you prevent that overflow? Well, with Gutter Helmet. I sat down with Spicer Brothers' Brian Spicer to see how it works.
This is surface tension at work.
So if you were to stick a glass or a cup under a faucet, the water doesn't run off the sides, it runs under it. So it's the same principle. It's just surface tension. It follows that surface down.
It's also what keeps your house structurally sound and you safe.
It's very beneficial to the person, not having to get up on a ladder.
Brian Spicer, president of Spicer Brothers Construction, is talking about Gutter Helmet, a well-established company
They've been around over 40 years. I think it's 42 years now.
that's teamed up with Delmarva's premier roofing company.
The previous dealer came to us and had made the suggestion to the regional, Gutter Helmet rep to entertain us, at least at first, because he thought we were the best fit. Being a roofing contractor, the kind of cohesive system, the roofing system, the gutter system, they're very cohesive, and his performance is based on the other.
In fact, Brian says his relationship with Gutter Helmet began years ago when they were putting a roof on a home and had to remove an already installed Gutter Helmet system.
We learned our lesson that you're not supposed to take it off. For that, we made sure we contacted Gutter Helmet before we put a new roof on, or had them come back to the roof is put on and put it back on. So we took it off, found out that we shouldn't have, and we had to pay to replace it.
That's because the system fits under the roof to allow the water to properly trail into the gutters, even during heavy downpours.
Yes, it's been tested for like 22 inches, or some astronomical number of inches of rain per hour or minute, but it's tested to pretty much handle whatever rains we're going to get.
Brian says it's not completely maintenance-free, but adds you don't have to climb a ladder and scoop debris out of your rain gutters.
Things may sit on it, but the intent is for them to either blow off or they'll be washed off with the next rainfall. But it's not a maintenance-free product because you still have to keep your roof cleaned off, part of your roof, and this is integrated with your roofing system. You have to keep them cleaned off so the system works the way it's supposed to work.
If something does go wrong with the Gutter Helmet system, Brian says you're covered with a warranty.
Has a triple lifetime warranty for the performance of the product. They guarantee that the product will perform as it is intended to perform with the proper installation.
And proper installation is a given as long as it's done by Spicer Brothers Construction.
Another important thing to note, Spicer Brothers Construction is the only authorized Gutter Helmet dealer on Delmarva. Even if you don't have Spicer Brothers install your roof and you have a Gutter Helmet system, you have to have them remove the system before that roof is installed. Or you could just make things easier for yourself and have Spicer Brothers Construction do both.
Sold. You had me right there.
Boom.
Right, done.